TC Jensen is the global leader in oil treatment. For 60 years we have removed oil contaminants from thousands of oil systems within the wind, marine, power, mining and industrial segments. This movie illustrates the efficiency of installing a CJC oil maintenance system. New oil is filled into the system. During the operation, particles, water and oil degradation products are produced continuously as the oil is in contact with the moving parts. We see that the oil color changes from bright clean to dark contaminated oil, damaging the system components. Oil contamination accounts for 80% of all failures in an oil system. Solid particles in high amounts are transported with the oil flow. The particles are wedged between movable metal parts, destroying the metal surface and forming millions of new particles. Oil degradation products are a widespread problem in most industries. Varnish products form a sticky layer on surfaces in the oil system. Hard particles of all sizes get caught in the sticky layer, creating a sandpaper-like grinding surface which speeds up machine wear. Water is another major threat to machine components. Even small amounts of water reduce the lubricity of the oil. When water is exposed to high pressure, found for example in bearings and gears, water droplets collapse. This results in micro-pitting in metal surfaces. A CJC fine filter is installed offline. The oil is pumped from the lowest part of the oil tank and enters the CJC filter, where the CJC inserts retain the contamination. The clean and dry oil is returned to the system and contamination will now be removed continuously. The CJC filter removes particles, oxidation and water in one and the same operation, ensuring clean and dry oil, constantly giving you higher machine reliability, reduced spare part costs and longer oil lifetime. Furthermore, you will save the environment from thousands of liters of waste oil.
The rotor of a wind turbine generator will top 200 million revolutions in 20 years. Wear is enormous, not least to the gearbox. Particles are constantly released from the gearbox components to the oil. Every change in operation condition generates a particle peak where millions of small micron particles are released. These need special attention as they are small enough to enter the very fine tolerance of the gearbox. Once inside the tolerance, they get stuck at the finest clearance and damage the metal surface, leading to surface erosion and increased particle production. And if not stopped in due time, the gearbox breaks down. Once particles of the size of 100 microns appear, degradation is often too advanced to take simple preventative action. This is why we have developed the CJC Oil Contamination Monitor OCM30X. It's the only monitoring solution on the market that counts and measures all solid particles as small as 4 microns in air-containing oil. OCM30X is installed on the gearbox offline circuit, where flow and pressure is constant and ideal for monitoring. OCM30X monitors remotely 24/7, 365, with sample response intervals as short as 20 seconds. To help you get an exact understanding of gearbox wear, data can be imported to cgconline.dk. You can also integrate OCM30X seamlessly with your SCADA system. This will give you an in-depth understanding of the gearbox wear generation under different operating conditions. Either way, you'll get the earliest possible warnings and improve root cause analysis significantly. You can schedule maintenance well in advance and reduce breakdowns. You can optimize operation effectively to reduce wear of the gearbox. You can identify component-specific problems and improve components. You can increase availability and reduce your lost production factor. In other words, OCM30X will not only protect your investment, it will increase your return on investment. Little wonder then that OCM30X is preferred by industry-leading manufacturers and utilities. Predict, prevent, profit.